different landing sites.
Really want you to abide by the rest of you. Thank you so much. We can all see the basket traps. This is what is killing our fish, especially the small ones. Then we also
When we use it, makes a terrible sound.
okay, so it
twafuna court order okuva ew'omulamuzi omukulu ow'Entebbe, so buli kye tukola wano kiri mu mateeka. N'olwekyo tukubiriza ffe nga abalwanyisa envuba embi, tukubiriza abavubi bannaye mukozese obutimba obukkirizibwa, muve ku butimba obutakkirizibwa. Tujja banoonya buli wamu, mu masitoowa, mu nnyanja, mwewala okufiirizibwa bannaye. Mukole ebintu ebiri mu mateeka tusobole okuyamba ennyanja yaffe etusustaininge n'abazzukulu n'abaliddawo. Lwaki mwagala ogikozesa mmwe mwekka generation eyaffe?
court, it's very important that when we make these orders, we need to come and witness and see and know exactly that what the orders that we made are being complied with. So we have been working with the Fisheries Department for a long time, and this is the third time we are witnessing this kind of activity. They have a number of items that we are going to ban. The first one is the beach boat stain, which is 2.5 inches, and there are 428. May also have the beach boat stain ropes, 30 meters. There are 6,550 of them. We have the gill nets, 2 to 4 inches. There are 2,850. We have the monofilaments, that is 2 to 6 inches. It is 12,800. The cast nets, that is 2.5 inches. It's 113 of them. The hooks, there are 10 to 20 of them. They are 10, 20 inches. They are 13,800. Are they there? Then we have the basket traps, which is 1 to 3 inches. There are 50 of them. Make sure that you use a fishing gear that is supposed to be used in the waters. Don't use illegal fishing gears because you're killing the fish industry.